Is Grok Imagine 1.5 video really good at storyboarding? Well, we are going to test that today. I am in my GigaCanvas and I'm going to have my two codexes generate two storyboards for me that are completely separate. And then we're going to put it in a Grok Imagine 1.5 video here in just a second. So here's what we're gonna do. I need you to create a storyboard with your image gen skill. I need the storyboard to be about a rancher who's on his ranch and out of nowhere there's a meteor shower and there's meteors coming down and hitting the ground, exploding, and he's running away trying to survive basically. Make sure that you use your image gen skill that I'm going to drop in, and then also give me a prompt to have Grok turn the storyboard into a real video. Okay, so now he's going to get started on that. So I'm going to go ahead and give it this skill. This is just its image gen skill so it can generate it. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, so I have GigaHermes and GigaClaw both working on this. So we're going to also kind of do a little competition who's better at creating the better storyboard. So let's do GigaHermes now. I need you to create a storyboard with your image gen skill where in the storyboard there is going to be this fantasy warrior girl who is traveling through this alien world. It's very cinematic and it looks really cool. She's traveling and doing all different types of stuff. This will be inside of a storyboard, so generate it with your skill that I'm going to drop in. And then also give me a prompt to give to Grok to turn the storyboard into a real video. Okay, and now I'm going to drop in the skill and we're going to send that one. I'll be back when they're done working. Okay, so both of them are done. We have the meteor shower one here now. We've got a pretty cool rancher meteor shower storyboard. I can see how this is going to play out. We'll see if Grok 1.5 Imagine video can do it. But it does look like it's going to be pretty cool. Okay, and here is the fantasy girl. We've got her going through this alien world and she's doing all types of stuff. Looks like she's fighting some kind of like scorpion spider things, and it looks like it's going to be pretty cool. So we'll see what it's going to do. Okay, so for the first one, we are going to do the rancher with the meteor shower. Let me go ahead and copy this whole Grok prompt. Copy. Now we're going to come over here into Grok. I've already dropped it in. Now let's put it on video. We're going to do 720, 10 seconds, and let's run it. Here we go. Okay, the first one's done. Let's check it out. Okay. Oh. Okay, so I mean the graphics are amazing. That meteor right there coming down next to his house, and then the fence is a little weird. The fence just kind of pops out of nowhere. And then this is the thing with just video generation. Sometimes it just doesn't understand common sense. He's running into a cellar, or whatever that is, that's currently on fire. So I don't know if that's really going to be the safest place for him. Okay, so now we are going to do the fantasy girl. So let's go ahead and get the prompt over here. GigaHermes actually wrote this one a lot different for sure. So let's go ahead and copy this full one. Okay, grabbing this over. Now let's go back over here into Grok and let's get it done. We're going to put this on the same settings. We have the 720p, 10 seconds. All right, let's run it. I'll be right back, guys, when it's done. Okay, it just finished. Let's check it out. Oh, that's cool. Wow, that looks really good. I mean, for a storybook, guys, I mean, that's about what we asked for. I mean, look at this video compared to what it's supposed to be. I mean, it's really not far off. Look at that. I don't find that bad at all. I think Grok 1.5 has come a long way. Grok is a lot cheaper than Seedance, right? And it's getting there. It's definitely getting there. I'm hoping Grok can pull through. I can't really say that I see anything weird in this, anything that's off. Everything in here is what we wanted. There's nothing that's really out of the norm that I would say doesn't have common sense. I think everything makes sense in this, other than the fact that it's just doing a lot of different scenes at once, but we did give it a 6 storyboard scene. Sorry, 8. It's 8 scenes, so that's why it's flickering a lot. If you want access to my GigaBrain has everything. It's an Agent OS app for you to be able to do everything inside of one app. And that's exactly how I set it up. We've got a whole memory system. We've got video downloaders. We have music for you to play. We have a full skills library that comes with everything. We have a free video generator. We have a Notebook LM connection where you can do everything Notebook LM. We have a GigaLoop section. We have a studio where you can do everything. You can create your own voices. You can clone voices. You can have a record studio, everything like that. So guys, if you are wanting that, hit the link down below. Join my school. It's invite only right now. I'm inviting certain people to join and get a lifetime access. And if you also want the prompts for those videos or anything involved with this video, those will also be in the school as well. Thanks for coming by, guys. See you in the next one.